So John D. as a mage without a body of his own, took it upon himself to destroy my car by destroying its catalytic converter. To try to get me to have to lose my job, lose my home, because he doesn't get to just take my life and do what he wants with it. And he wants to call me a coward for him destroying the catalytic converter of my defenseless automobile. He wants to call me a coward, as John D calling me a coward for John D destroying, as a ritual magician that's astrally projecting a car's catalytic converter. So, I almost I don't think I've ever actually did this. I'm going to appeal for money, because catalytic converters aren't cheap, and John D is a frigging ghost that destroyed an actual car, counting on the fact that he can't pay for it, to skate off like a little coward. So to deal with him, I'm turning his soul into property. That's right, John D. Bavadatman, catalytic converter, Rai Karodi. Maybe if John D wanted to have his soul not turn into a catalytic converter, John D should have been an astrally projecting mage, thinking he was hilarious and oh so brave for rusting over a period of 2 years. A catalytic converter from brand new into nothing. Just because John D assumes he's untouchable. This is BS. I shouldn't have had my car messed with just because some mage wants to feel powerful over me. Especially some idiot from the frigging 16th century. My car shouldn't have had to suffer just because John D wanted to go on a power trip. If you are capable, please, hashtag Liquid Fire Publishing. Like $3 or $4, if enough people do it, I can actually get a catalytic converter, and I won't have to keep bumming rides just to have it keep my day job. John D made me lose my job as a manager at a Circle K. Made me have to fight him to be able to apply for unemployment. Makes me have to fight to keep the number of hours I have at this new job that pays me significantly less, literally use magic to corrode my frigging catalytic converter, and he still wants to call me a coward just for not doing what it wants. So if anyone is not unwilling to throw in $3 or $4 to help me get a new catalytic converter, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe.